today we're going to talk about how to stage your home in order to, one, sell it, and two, get potential buyers to imagine themselves living in your personal space. So some people have the opportunity to have a perfectly staged home. You do not really have to do anything to it. The only thing you have to do is take pictures and it sells within a week. Some people that is not the case, and sometimes you have to do light staging or a completely staged makeover to your home in order to get it sold. So the first thing that you want to focus on is, at least, bottom line, the outside of your home. So your exterior furniture or the lawn, your garden, you want to make sure that it's appeasing to the eye, it has a nice aesthetic, and people will want to come into your home based off the outside of your home. The second thing you want to focus on is neutral colors. So pink curtains in your living room, and if you have green curtains in your kitchen, you want to make sure you're neutralizing those colors in each room. If you're the type of person that enjoys a pop of color, you can always go to Ross, TJ Maxx, or Marshalls and add those color accents in each room. So if you have, a white kitchen, you can have lemons or something, or some type of fruit on the island or kitchen table to accent that room, but you just don't want to overdo it so that it's appeasing to the eye and to the potential buyer. You want to keep things neutral. The third thing is you want to declutter personal items, which includes photos, family portraits on the wall, because you want your potential buyers to imagine themselves in that home. So make it as decluttered as possible. And also, when it comes to extra furniture, think about how you would want a prospective buyer to perceive your home. So when it comes to having as much floor space as possible, that's what you want to focus on when it's staging your home. For example, if you have your bedroom, you only need your bed, a nightstand, or dressers, anything like that, and an empty closet or a at least organized closet. So emphasize the organization and simplicity of each room. Another thing that I want everyone to focus on is brightening your home. So the easy way to do that is to open the blinds, open your windows, and you don't have to, keep your windows open. But when you have an open house, or if you have someone viewing the home, make sure that it's bright, the lights are on, the doors are open. Unless it's a storage space that you don't want them to see when they first walk in, then literally have the doors open, make sure it's all spacious, and when you have a brighter home, it makes your home seem bigger. When it comes to closets and storage space, if this is applicable to you, make sure they're empty. If you can't empty them, make sure they're at least organized so that people can see as much space as possible and imagine their own clothes in it, or imagine what they're going to do with that storage space. Next thing is air out your house. You have probably lived in your house for about, 3 to 10 years, and you don't really understand how your house smells. So when you are airing out your house, you can open the windows, open the doors, not saying leave them open for days, but at least during the day, open them up, put candles or plug-ins, in your house, and don't overdo it. I hope you guys enjoyed my staging tips video, and if you have any questions, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and DM me on Instagram at realestatebaddie, and have a flash sale going on during this week, so take advantage of it. All my services, my resume editing services and cover letter creation services, are now $20. So have a good day, guys.